Rule 2. Use a comma to set off an introductory word, phrase, or clause from the independent clause that follows. Introductory elements that require a comma are prepositional phrases, subordinating clauses, transitional verbal phrases, and verbal phrases. जो prepositional phrase है वो begin करता है एक preposition से and includes any modifier or objects. Prepositional phrases जो हैं usually signal करते हैं एक relationship, particularly a relationship of time या फिर location. Examples: in the movie Titanic, Leonardo's character Jack dies. Since the accident last year, she has been afraid to drive on the highway. देखेंगे जो दोनों इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लॉजेज हैं एग्जाम्पल्स में वो एक preposition के साथ बिगिन कर रहे हैं. जो क्लॉज है वो इंडिकेट कर रहा है रिलेशनशिप ऑफ लोकेशन इन द मूवी एंड द टाइम सिंस द एक्सीडेंट बिटवीन द इंट्रोडक्टरी फेज एंड द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज दैट फॉलोज. इसीलिए इसको एक कॉमा से डालना चाहिए. सबऑर्डिनेटेड जो क्लॉज है वो बिगिन करता है सबऑर्डिनेटेड से which is a word that indicates a relationship, usually a relationship of time and location between the clauses. It begins and the independent clause जो उसको follow कर रहा होता है. ये जो relationship है this makes a subordinate clause similar to the prepositional phrase, लेकिन unlike the prepositional phrase जो subordinating clause है it can also be referred to as a dependent clause क्योंकि it has both subject and a verb. It is a dependent clause, not an independent clause, because it cannot stand alone as a sentence. अब इसको हम बेहतर समझ सकते हैं एक example के through. So the example says, when I was in high school, we didn't have all the modern technological conveniences that provide such great research tools today. Here the word when I was in high school begins with a subordinated when, which signals a टाइम रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द सबऑर्डिनेटेड क्लॉज और जो इसके बाद इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. ऑल्दो ये जो क्लॉज है हैज़ अ सब्जेक्ट आई एंड अ वर्ब वाज, इसको आप अकेला क्लॉज इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के तौर पे नहीं देख सकते. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. बिफोर आई हैड अ चांस टू आंसर ही स्नैच्ड द पेपर आउट ऑफ माई हैंड्स एंड थ्रू इट इन द फायर. यहाँ पे आप देखें कि इंट्रोडक्टरी सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज है वो रिक्वायर करे कि कोई इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इस सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करे. दोनों एग्जाम्पल्स के अंदर जो कॉमा है वो रिक्वायर्ड है to set off the subordinating clause from the independent clause. जो transitional word and phrases हैं वो आपके text के अंदर coherence add करते हैं. They help connect one sentence to the next. एक comprehensive list of transitional words and phrases जो है appear करती है इसी chapter के अंदर, हम later discuss करेंगे उसको. लेकिन कुछ जो हम बहुत commonly use करते हैं वो है finally, furthermore, moreover, next, indicate, sequence, again, likewise, and similarly indicate comparison, although, but, however, by contrast, and on the other hand indicate contrast, for example, in fact, and specifically indicate examples, accordingly, as a result, consequently, and therefore indicate cause and effect. अब इसकी हम example देखते हैं. So, dear student, due to illness, I will not be in class today. Your substitute, Miss Green, will be teaching your literature class. Specifically, you will be reading Act 1 of Romeo and Juliet. There has been a lot of extraneous talking in the class lately. Consequently, you must read the play on your own. You will not be allowed to read with a reading buddy. Although I would like to continue with reading buddies, that will not be possible until you show me that you can follow the rules. Today would be agreed to follow those rules. Furthermore, since Miss Green is with you today, I hope that you take this opportunity to be on your very best behavior. I do not want to get any negative reports. Have a great day, Mrs. Smith. Now, in this example, transitional words and phrases are used to make the text flow more smoothly. जो कॉमा है वो हर ट्रांजिशनल अंडरलाइन जो कि अंडरलाइन हमने किए हुए हैं उस ट्रांजिशनल वर्ड के बाद नीडेड है. अच्छा, अब वर्बल फ्रेजेस क्या होते हैं? वर्बल फ्रेज जो है वो कंटेन करते हैं वर्ड एलिमेंट्स बट फंक्शन एज नाउन्स, एडजेक्टिव्स या एडवर्ब्स रादर देन वर्ब्स. अब यहाँ दो तरह के वर्बल फ्रेजेस होते हैं. एक जो इंट्रोडक्टरी फ्रेजेस है या फिर जो एंड देयरफॉर मस्ट बी सेट ऑफ बाय कॉमास, participle phrases and infinitive phrases. जो participle phrases हैं they are made of the present participle, the ing form of the verb, या फिर past participle, the ed form of the word, या फिर कोई भी modifiers or subjects. Participle phrases act as adjectives because they describe, modify subject in the independent clause. Example इसकी क्या है? Standing alone by the door, Ricky watched the rest of the boys dance with their dates. Angered by the kids' cutting remarks, Naomi stormed out of the room and then burst into tiers. The first example contains a participle phrase that contains the present participle standing. The introductory phrase standing alone by the door describes Ricky. In the second example, the past participle angered makes up the participial phrase and the fully introductive phrase describes Naomi. अब हम देखते हैं infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrases are made up of an infinitive as well as any modifier or object. For example, to win a gold medal, you must work very hard. To earn a high score on LCAT, you must study this guide thoroughly. To win is infinitive in the first sentence and to earn is infinitive in the second sentence. Both infinitives serve as a part of the introductory phrase. इसकी वजह से वहाँ पे कॉमा लगाना ज़रूरी है.